India reported more than 48,000 new cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 and over 700 deaths in the last 24 hours. Union Health Minister data showed today, 5 days before Unlock 2.0 ends. Unlock 2.0, in which the government had eased some restriction after the 68-day hard lockdown, will end on July 31st. The fourth floor of Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, located at Langol in Imphal, has been sealed following a man who received medical treatment at the hospital after falling from a bicycle was turned out to be a COVID-19 positive patient. The man hailing from Pisumthong in Imphal was admitted to the general ward of Caesar Hospital and later tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday at Babina Diagnostics. Manipur Police has tightened lockdown in the state following a meeting of the State Consultative Committee for COVID-19 yesterday. Security measures have been tightened in Imphal city, where many vehicles were detained for defying lockdown norms. Security measures have also been tightened at CM Darbar Hall, Ngarigali of Thangal Bazar, Pitambara School at Kwakatel and CP Quarter Lamphel, which have been declared containment zones. Prime Minister Narendra Modi began his address to nation by remembering the Jawans who laid down their lives during the 1999 Kargil War. He also spoke about how COVID is spreading faster and that its threat is high as ever. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, COVID-19 recovery rate in the country is better than others. The fatality rate is much less than other countries. Nihar Talkies Cinema Hall, located at Kalinagar in Jiribam, was completely destroyed in a fire in the wee hours. Properties worth around Rs 20,000 lakh were destroyed in the blaze, a report said. As a part of the third phase of awareness webinar program for advocates at the district level, the training program on the topic e-filing and e-court services concluded with wide participation of 212 nominated advocates from different district bar and High Court bar, panel advocates under Masalsa and High Court Legal Services Authority. Sajik Tampak Battalion of 28th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South distributed 1,000 face masks to the people of Kana Valley under Chandel district in view of the global pandemic situation. The masks were stitched by the local women with raw materials provided by the battalion. Nagaland Health Minister S. Pangnew Phom tweeted that investigation is on and subject to further verification to establish the link with COVID-19 as morbid conditions were present.